Hi, my name is Andy, and this is Titanium. Titanium is a back-end utility that connects directly with ServiceTitan and allows you to edit, create, and basically control your price book. Let me show you how it works. On the left-hand side, we have services for a plumbing company. If I go to the category of appliance, and then the subcategory of disposer, it's going to open up all the disposers that are currently in our ServiceTitan account. Let me scroll down to this particular model here. I'll open it up. This model of service is a Pro 750. Here's the picture. Code, name, description. If you were to do cross-sale, and a category that it belongs in. Categories can then be edited. You can choose categories you want. You can add a new category or add a second category. Sold hours can be controlled right here. For example, let's say I can do this at 0.75 sold hours, not at 1. So I'm going to change this to 0.75. It automatically reduces the price. All I have to do then is push this, and it will automatically update the price book in ServiceTitan without having to use a spreadsheet. I'm going to keep it at 1 sold hour because I think that's more accurate, however. So we have the labor rate built in, but now we have to add material. So let's say I want to add a 750 disposer. Let me show you how that's done. So I'll delete this one right here. So I'm going to go to materials. Let me type in DISPOSER. See what comes up. Okay, so here are all the disposers that are available for me to choose from. So I'm going to choose the 750 down here. So now I've got a 750 disposer, which is already priced at $220. Let's see where that comes from. Now I'm going to click on the actual material itself. It's going to take me to another screen that has to do with my disposer. So here's the code for the disposer, the current name that we call it, the contact for the vendor we buy it from, and that cost. And here's the amount we're going to mark it up for to the customer. Let's say that I want to find out if my price is accurate, and I don't have a picture for that disposer. So I'm going to click on this little globe here, and it's going to take me directly to this local vendor that we like to work with, to their website. Great. So I'm not logged into this site, so this is not the accurate price. If I were to log in, however, I could get my current price. If I click on this picture, I'll drag it over to the desktop, and I'll come back, drag that picture right in, and it'll populate here. So now I've got a price of $220.67. I've got a picture. I've got all the details. I'm going to go ahead and push that right into ServiceTitan. So it says my material has been updated in ServiceTitan. Well, let me double check that and make sure that's the case. If I push the view button, I can jump right into my ServiceTitan account, and I can scroll down. Yep, sure enough, the picture came in. And here's the vendor that I'm buying it from and the cost that that vendor has on their website. Well, let's say I want to try to buy this from a different vendor. For example, the new Home Depot Pro. So if I click on that, it'll automatically add the disposer as a second possible vendor. And if I click on the globe again, it's going to jump right to the Home Depot website. And sure enough, there's the disposer. That price is $261.55. So if I copy that and bring it over, well, I've got it current. Let me go ahead and push that into ServiceTitan. And I'll jump right directly to the ServiceTitan account. And now you see I've got a new vendor added down here. My primary vendor is going to be Active Supply, however. I've got them selected as the primary. So I can edit for example, type the word edit right here, and I can push that right into Service Titan. And if I jump to that site again, you'll see that the word edit will show up in the description up here at the code. So it's a very easy way to control your services, your materials, and whatever else you might want to use. So I'm going to go ahead and update this again to make sure it's done right. That's a brief overview of how Titanium works with services. It also can deal with materials and all the different things that are available. So you can look at each material independently and price them out accordingly. And each one of these are baked into your flat rate price. So if you're interested, give me a call at 440-867-5724, and we can do a deeper dive into how Titanium can help you take control of your price book, save you time and money, and avoid those pesky spreadsheets.